everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how to do the double crochet stitch. So in order to start the double crochet stitch, you're going to start with a slip knot. Then you will tighten it down onto your hook. After you've created your slip knot and tightened it down onto your hook, you're going to chain up however many your pattern or whatever you are looking to make calls for. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to chain up 7. I am chaining up 7 because the 2 chains here are going to be considered my turning chains. So what you're going to do to create the double crochet stitch, you are going to place the yarn over your hook, and then you're going to go into the 3rd chain from your hook, this one right here. You're going to pull up another loop. Now you should have 3 loops on your hook. What you're going to do is yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2 again, and that is your first double crochet. You will yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over again, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. You'll continue this all the way down. And there you can see that has created your double crochets. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.